key aspect of today's sentencing was the decision by the judge, Cheryl Matthews, to go above the sentencing guidelines.
And could that decision play a role in any potential appeal? Christy McDonald has been following this trial from the very beginning. Christy, and I see you have a guest there along with you.
Absolutely, Kimberly and Devin. Of course, Lillian Diallo, longtime Detroit criminal defense attorney. Lillian, let's start when we know what the defense wanted in terms of a sentence, and then you see the judge going above and beyond and meeting what the prosecution wants. What was your reaction to that?
They asked for what they wanted, right? And the defense, I don't understand the theory of why they got up there. The clients didn't help the sentence, right? So you had a defense attorney that said, I want the person to live in my backyard, right? And then you had somebody, the other defense attorney was more reasonable. But these facts were so atrocious, right? And then the mom was like, well, I'm still clueless. And the dad is, there's a big conspiracy. They took no responsibility.
And that's part of when the judge is looking at things. Remorse is one of the checklists and just when you're considering a sentence.
And there was none. There was not one piece of remorse. So for the 4 people that are dead, there's nothing. There's nothing.
Let me ask you this. How do you prepare a client to then address the court as a defendant waiting to get sentenced? How do you tell them to say certain things you should say or shouldn't, knowing full well, Lillian, there's going to be an appeal on this?
If it was me, now, I don't backdoor, defense attorneys, but my clients don't speak at sentencing now, right? Only because there is going to be an appeal. We know it's going to be an appeal on a case like this, right? And their words are going to be used against them. So when you get up there, and Crumbley, James Crumbley was more sympathetic until we heard the threats.
He did say, I'm so sorry for what my son did.
Yeah, but then he goes on to take zero accountability. You bought the gun. You gifted him the more lethal weapon that caused the mass destruction. Had you had the little Derringer or the other one, it's not as powerful as that gun. And nobody looked in that book bag. It really is outrageous.
So you have the 10 to 15 years. We have the 850 days credit for what they've already served already. When you're looking at this now, and there's also this appeals process, when can we start to see this move forward?
So within 42 days, they have to effectuate their appeal. So then they'll get an appellate attorney and they'll start getting the transcripts. Now the judge said something, $35,000 for the transcripts right now. That's how much it's going to cost to order the transcripts. And so it's probably going to be a court-appointed situation. And there's some very good max attorneys, very good attorneys out there that can handle this. And I would expect that it would be a bigger agency that would take this case and give it the justice it deserves. Because, are there appealable issues? There may be, there may not be. But I know we don't help ourselves when we take no accountability and then we say something as frivolous as we want a tether and a backyard sentence. There are 4 dead people, 4 children that did nothing. So they asked for this sentence because they did not show not one iota, not a sconce of remorse in this particular case.
And
nothing.
This chapter has now finally come to a close. And again, what Mara said, there is no joy in anything that happened there today. But this is finally starting to move forward. The Crumbleys, 5 to 10 years in prison. That's the very latest. Lillian, thanks so much for your expertise. We appreciate it in walking us through this entire process as we have covered these trials. We'll send it back to you, Devin and Kimberly.
You got it. All right, Christy. If you missed any of today's hearing, don't worry, we've got you covered.
Just head to the homepage at clickondetroit.com. We've posted all the emotional victim impact statements in full. If you'd like to listen to them again, you can find them all in the link front and center there right on the homepage.